Here I have Realme 9 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So, in case if you have a lot of opened apps at once, they may cause your device to work slower, like to lag and stuff. So in order to close them all at once, you have to firstly access Recents section. Like if you have 3 buttons navigation method, you will have like Recents button on the right or on the left side, depending on your settings. But if you have gesture navigation like me, what you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom slightly up and hold it for about a second, and that's how you can access this section. So here you can see all of these opened apps, and in order to close them all at once, just tap close all, and after that all these apps will be closed and won't like make your device lagging anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.